Hi guys, welcome back to the Nitro Learning Python course. Since we're done with strings, let's start learning about lists. So lists are easy ways to store data. They also use square brackets, just like indexing. And you can hold multiple data types in a list, and you can do the type function on a list, and you'll get list. And you can use the len function, which we'll talk about in a bit. Okay, so I'm here in a Jupyter notebook. I'll zoom in a bit. Okay, so let's just say my list is equal to 1, 2, 3. We can see my list. We can also now do type of my list. We get list, that's the keyword, and we can do what's known as len of my list. This tells you how many characters or objects are in your list. In this case, 3. So you can also do the len function with other data types, like strings, not with integers though. So now let's show how we can store different data types, not just integers. Let's say my list is now equal to hi 1. This is a list 2.5. And it'll still run, and we can see my list. And it's that exact thing we made, the length of my list. Pause the video, try to figure it out. Okay, so I assume you paused it. It will be 4 because hi 1 is a list, and 2.5, all 4 different objects. Okay, that's all there is on lists. I hope to see you in the next lecture, and as always, this was Nitro Learn.